Hello everyone, start off by taking a section of the hair from the top and then braid it. Then using your fingers, loosen some strands of hair. Do this until you reach the bottom. Now take 2 more sections of hair and repeat this process until you reach the base of the hair. Now put the other braid down as well. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the top, tie a rubber band, take a section of the hair from the side, make 2 divisions and then twist this hair. Use your fingers to loosen some of the strands. Repeat the same process on the right side and then tie it up in the middle. Divide the bottom portion of the hair into 2 parts and then start off by braiding the right side. Once again, use your finger to loosen the braid. Put it up as such. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side and then begin to braid it. Using your finger, loosen some of the strands of hair. Do this on both the left and the right side. Now repeat the same process on the right side as well. Tie them both up at the center. Next, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left and the right side and then tie it up at the back. Twist this hair in on itself. Repeat this process a couple of times more or 3 times more. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, twist it in on itself, make 2 divisions at the bottom, and of this, each of the ponytails make them into 2 divisions. Twist each of these into themselves. Roll it over as such and insert clips. Now, take a section of the hair from the left side, tie a rubber band, and then twist the hair in on itself. Repeat the same process on the right side. Tie them both up at the center. Out of this, make 2 ponytails in 1 braid and then roll it up. Put bobby pins in place. Start off by taking a section of the hair from the top, tying it up. Then add a rubber band to the middle and roll it in on itself. Then make a bow out of the other strands of hair at the back. Bring this braid through the center of the bow and then at the bottom that is left over, make 2 braids. For our next hairdo, start off by taking 2 sections of hair from the front, tie it up at the back, roll it in on itself, then tie a ponytail more towards the left side. Roll it over to make a bun. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and right, roll it over at the back, make 2 divisions at the back, and then taking a portion from the tied up portion, make a braid. Roll this braid over. For the rest of the hair that is remaining, tie a rubber band at the bottom and then make it into a bun. Start off by tying the hair up at the top at the back, then take 2 more sections from either side, twist the hair using your fingers and insert the initial tie up through it. Repeat this step. Thank you for watching.